Yo, bro, I'm mad excited, bro. Y'all niggas know why I'm excited, bro. Because I'm here with y'all. Excited with y'all. Getting that money with y'all. Bro, if y'all didn't subscribe to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, on Facebook, bro, you're gonna have a problem. Okay? And subscribe, bro. What's wrong with y'all just watching and not subscribing, bro? Like, I know y'all just watching, bro. Subscribe and like too. Don't forget to like and leave a comment if you did. Just playing, bro. This is actually a video of how I lost my V card, bro. My V card, bro. How I lost that V. And I was thinking about what type of video was I gonna give y'all. What type of, you feel me? I was really thinking, bro. I was thinking about making a personal video for my grandmother. But that's later though. You mean? That's maybe when I'm in this month. Posting every day. I ain't playing, bro. This December, bro, y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna smell me, but y'all gonna see me, bro. Don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, bro. But yeah, bro. Long story short, bro, this is how I lost my V card, bro. My V card, bro. It was a good and a bad experience, bro. Because the time I did it, bro, I was like mad young, bro. When I mean like mad young, I was like young, bro. Like young. When I mean young, I was like under 10 years old. Under 10 years old, bro. Lost my V card, bro. What can a nigga say? What can a nigga say? Yeah, bro. Lost my V card, bro. I can't say like 7 years old I lost my V card. Like 7, bro, I lost my V. You feel me? At the time, I didn't know what I was doing, bro. Because at the time, I was just doing what I thought you have to do. You feel me? Bro. This was, I remember all my, like, I don't know, this morning, bro. That morning, I woke up, bro. Feel me? I woke up, do what I normally do, get ready. Like, you know, my grandma was very, like, she didn't like the place, man. This place, she was too quiet for her, you feel me? Not like she didn't like the quietness, she just liked to be around people that, all type of people, you feel me? Like talking, like drinking, and like to be yourself, bro. That's one thing I like notice about my grandma. She like to be herself, bro. And me personally, I accepted her as is, bro. Because at the end of the day, bro, she raised me, bro. Like literally my whole life, bro. She raised me, bro. So I can't speak badly about my grandmother. Never. It's impossible, bro. It's impossible. Yeah, bro. Like I said, bro, the day I lost my vehicle, bro. We were on our way to a place called Bella. You feel me? If you don't know, Google. You will know a lot about that place if you know. Go to Google the Bella, bro. As I'm on my way there, bro, something tells me, yo, grab a few, you feel me? Grab a few bubblegum straps and my 2-piece. Feel me? Stuff. Eat a few. As I'm loving it, like I normally do, I chill at my uncle's house, you feel me? Few days, not a few days, just for a few hours, just to see the vibe, you feel me? I don't like normally just walk around. Nah, none of that, bro. I'm more like, and people knew me in this place, you feel me? I wasn't like a stranger or anything. People knew me. I come there. Now there's one chick. She has a child already, bro. Remember, she has a child. Bro, this time of the year, bro, chicas was just having children left and right, bro. Like, I mean it, like left and right, bro. Yeah, I was young at that time, bro, but I was young and I can't say experience, bro. I can't say experience because the things I know now, it's way more developed and, like, you feel me, in tune with the norm than back then, you feel me? Back then, I thought I knew things, but I didn't know about things, you feel me? I knew things, but I didn't know about things, you feel me? Big difference. Bro, go there, chill in a tree normally. Talk to this one nigga that always speak badly about me. we're gonna make a video about him soon, bro. We're gonna make a video about him soon, bro. That gives me another idea. Thanks for just reminding me of that, bro. Gangster. But we on with it, bro. I'm just chilling like I normally do, chilling. Something tells me, bro. Oh, sorry for the distraction, bro. Dog was barking, bro, and it can't let, you feel me, the audio be disrupted by that dog, bro. No. And you're not getting free promo. I need free promo. Yo, bro. But yeah, bro. No, I just normally just sit, so, you feel me? Now this nigga bring his girlfriend, you feel me? No. We didn't have girlfriends at this time, bro. This time we were just playing with him, normally. Yo, nah. Like, you normally, bro. Normally, we just talk to them. They decide to play with us, we play with them, you feel me? Like, but when you're young, bro, you don't have, like, the intentions of just balling, bro. Nah. Maybe this generation, yes. But back then, nah, bro. We were actually having fun, bro. Chilling with the chicas. Going on nice lunches, bro. I'm talking about blanket out. What do you call that, what do you call that type of lunches again, bro? Picnics, yeah. That's what you call picnics. And I'm not talking about, bro, we used to buy squid chips, squid liquors, squid everything, bro. We just chill, blanket out, bro. Talk to the chicas. Like normally, bro. Feel me? Normal stuff, bro. Now it comes to the point where this chica, she fancy a man, you feel me? She fancy a man, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I was an ugly baby. Oh, nah, I can't even say I was a average looking nigga, you feel me? This time, I ain't gonna lie, I'm still an average nigga, but my confidence is boosting my looks, bro. No lie, bro, the confidence boosts looks, bro. You might think you ugly, but if you have so much confidence in yourself, you don't consider yourself ugly. You consider yourself a handsome as a bitch, bro. It's easy. That's what I know. And what I heard of, you feel me? Bro, this stopping, and I'm apologizing to y'all, bro. Because the stopping and it's people disrupting my audio, bro. So I'm trying to tell you, so student trying to keep y'all entertained, bro. People are just making it hard for me, bro. So I'm stopping and continuing the video. Just remember, I apologize in the heat of the time, you feel me? Thanks. So, bro, this was the time where I was schooling, bro. Feel me like I am, bro. It's chilly, you feel me? I come back the weekend, a whole week go past, just like I'm at school, chilling. This time I was in Dinimir primary school. Yeah, I was in Dinimir. I'm gonna tell you about that part too, bro. Yo, I'm telling you, Dinimir was a place to be at, bro. The house we had was perfect, bro. Perfect, bro. Like the house that we lived at, the area, not now. The area now, it's demons, bro. There's just demons living there, bro. It's almost every weekend, most probably it's a shootout there, bro. Like millions of dying of weird shit, bro. Means it's just, yeah, it's crazy, bro. Our life is, bro. It just changed, bro. But it changed for the better, you feel me? Changed for the better. Love life, you see me? I was in Dinimir primary school. It was normal, bro. Grade 6, what, doing what I normally do. I go back there. You feel me? For another weekend. This is the next weekend. Go back there. But this chica's talking about, nah, she wanna, you hear me? She wanna test out some. I'm like, what do you mean? Remember this chica's like 2-3 years older than me. She's like 12 at that time. I'm like at least 7, 6 years old. Okay. Chill. We chilling, bro. Normally just chilling. Chica tell me, nah, pull up. I go. You feel me? Oh, we go up, you go to her house, bro. As you're landing at her house, something tells me, yo, bro, be on alert, bro. Be on alert, because something might happen, you feel me? I'm on alert, bro. We're walking. I feel like someone's following us. Remember, I'm young, but I'm always on point, bro. I don't know, maybe because my genes, you feel me? My Topi was in the military, so he just took that. So it maybe that genes just fell off on me, so I'm just more like that. I don't know. That was on point, bro. If I get lost, I would find my way out of a situation, bro. No lies. It, even if I have to go to wherever, bro. If you tell me here's the parking lot, bro, I would take a physical picture memory in the brain how I got into this parking lot and how I can get out of this parking lot. And if you're walking to a certain place, I would take picture memories like where we turned off, how we got there. I would do that, bro. Not to make niggas feel stupid, but you just have to, bro. In situations where you just have to, you know where to go. Like, bro, I know a few niggas that just run without the intentions of where they're going. Run into a corner. And you get niggas like me, smiling, looking at you. You think you can run away from me? You think you can run away from me? I got my 7.62. No, I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing. Let me get to the topic. When I lost my vehicle, bro, I'm just yapping because I missed y'all. I'm dead serious. I missed y'all. That's why I'm just yapping. Long story short, bro, we leave. Me and the chica leave. Get to her house. Now, I noticed a scar in front of her house. It's my uncle's car. You feel me? Rest in peace. Rest in peace to my nigga. What's my uncle's car doing in front of our house? I asked him, did you know this person? Nah, it's my mother's boyfriend. I didn't worry about that. We into our house. I see my uncle sitting with her mother on the couch, bro. He's watching a movie. I greet him. Greet her. She asked me, nah. How do you know each other? Nah, I'm just visiting. Nah, this is my uncle. And this is her daughter. What. Bro, I didn't think much about the thought, no. Wait, 2 minutes. Well, someone's working with the shovel, bro, and I was getting me tight, bro. It's gangster, bro. It's gangster. Bro, she told me I must pull up. Okay, I pull up, bro. Remember, I didn't smash her, bro. I smashed the cousin, bro. You feel me? I smashed the cousin. I'm in there. Now, she told me now she has a friend that wants to meet me. I'm like, oh, no problem, bro. I don't, feel me, have no problem. I pull up. A friend pull up. Not even a friend, a cousin, bro. But cousin they look ass, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Cousin they look ass. Friend, point. A friend was on point, bro. Okay, a friend was on point. Feel me? I wanted her actually, bro. Okay, I wanted her, but she most probably didn't want to do it because of her mother. I mean, inside of the house type shit, but I didn't stress, bro. Okay, long story short, bro. I walk. As I'm walking, something tells me, bro, just watch this chica. Bro, while I watch this chica, bro, chica take off her shoes, bro. Guess what I see? Oh my god, bro, that chica just didn't wash feet, bro. I'm talking about the most assiest feet, bro. Bro, it looked worse than the under part of my sock, fam. And my socks is dirt right now. I can't show it to you. You feel me? Check, bro. Look worse than this, bro. Look worse than that, bro. Bro, this is the new 2026 rule, bro. For a man, bro. I'm not lying, bro. Gangster. You look at the chica's teeth. If she have effed up teeth, don't even try to talk to her. Rule number 2, if she have effed up feet, don't even try to talk to her, bro. If she have effed up hair, don't even bother talking to her. She don't give herself intentions to nothing. 4, if she just wants you for your lifestyle, kick that bitch off the curb, bro. Dead serious. Kick that chick to the curb, bro. Bro, a friend pull up, bro. A friend pull up, bro. About to smash. Friend's like, man, This, that, and the third. When she told me, like, now she has to do things before I left that chica, bro. Because why? Your feet was already ashy. You still want to demand things from me? Nah, bro. Over. I walk home. Uncle's like, nah. Wat gaan ze, wat? I'm like, nah. Going home, man. Just gonna go. Feel me? Take what the means have to say it down. As I'm walking my way down, well, the same chica that took me to a house, she called me. I tell her now I'm not walking till they come to buy me. She come. As she come, she raised me nine. She just wanted to see what I was gonna do. She actually wanted to have, you feel me? I wasn't in the mindset of just darling, you feel me? I respect female, you feel me? That's one thing I always do, respect female. Bro, this chica pulls up. We do what we normally do, you feel me? I take her to my uncle's house. You feel me? Take her to my uncle's house. Bro, I lay that chica on the bed, bro. Starts kissing what. As I'm about to pull out the strap to Dala. About two of the most weirdest niggas on planet Earth, bro. These niggas knew what I'm on. You feel me? But they just wanted to prove what I was on. So they didn't. I smashed them once. The second week it came around. Smashed again. Oh, we did this for a month and we were talking about a year to a year and a half, bro. And we just meet off like weekends, bro. We didn't date. We didn't kiss each other, bro. We just did what we normally do, just have sex, bro. And I didn't say I enjoyed it. I just thought to myself, learning experience, bro. Learning experience. We do it. We did it. Now comes the point with her cousin, her boy cousin, to find out if she's really doing it, bro. With a nigga like me, bro. Bro, while I'm about to smash the chick, they follow me, man, bro. You feel me? They follow me, man, bro. I'm like, who the fuck is this nigga is following me? No. Before, that's like weeks after we just meet and smashing. Her boy cousins pull up. They see me. They see how she's looking at me, though. You feel me? They ask, hey, who you? What? I don't give a fuck about them. They peons to me, bro. That was my mindset from a youngin', bro. You are peon to me, bro. I don't give them no mind, or I don't give them, since I don't give them mind. Just get off my dick, gangster. Get off my dick. That was a bit to the word. Get off my dick, gangster. Walk. Go to the shop, do what I normally do at the shop, buy what I normally want at the shop. I come back. She's waiting for me, bro. We chill at the tree. We just talk, bro. As I'm about to go in my uncle's house like I normally do, these niggas are like, nah, where you taking her? I'm like, bro, we're just gonna chill, bro. What's going on? Nah, bro. We know what y'all doing. That's that and the third. Bro, they trying to make it seem, no? Remember, bro, when I was young, I was a very tall nigga. So maybe in their eyes, I was maybe 14, 15. Remember, I was young, bro. I was young, tall. Now I'm old and short. Yo, bro, it's so sad to say, bro. You young and tall, you old and short. Nah, it's mad disrespectful. I was an early sprout, you feel me? I was an early sprout. Wow. Now they thought like me and them are one size, bro. Remember, this niggas was like maybe 16 going to 18. This niggas want to smash their cousins, bro. And I didn't ever, me personally, I didn't find that disturbing. I just found it weird. Because why would you want to blackmail your cousin just so you can smash your cousin? Don't that sound weird? Like, don't that sound weird, bro? That sound like, Sweet Corn, Alabama. Swear down, back to you, back to you. It's like Alabama type of water shit, bro. And so she's like, nah, what is it? Bro, they ain't trying to manipulate her to tell her, like, listen to the words. I remember this word so vividly, bro. Because I was a part of the situation, bro. They, like, like, they couldn't prove that she was actually doing it with me. Like, they weren't trying to catch her in the act, you feel me, with me. And me, as the person I am, I'm very manipulative, you feel me? I can get what I want, you feel me? Even if it hurts the next person, and I didn't like doing that, you feel me? After this big, I will manipulate you. Me and this chica, go to my uncle's house. I'm trying to tell these niggas, yo, give us time alone, bro. Y'all niggas are doing too much, bro. You saw all of my, you feel me? It's not even benefiting none of us, bro. You just on our beat. Nah, you don't need it. Relax, bro. Relax, bro. They pushed off. Me and she went to the house, you feel me? What we gonna do normally, bro? These niggas pull up again, bro. They pull up again. Now they don't say anything. Look here. This is how I am on a point, bro. I heard them come through because they were like, as they were approaching, they were talking. But you can hear niggas' voices talking and they're approaching us, bro. Now there was like the bed was normally here, no? There was a window, but you couldn't see through that window. You can see who's, if you're in the inside of the house, you can see who's in the outside. But if in the outside, you can't see what's happening in the inside. You feel me? It was like foggy, but also dusty. They trying to see what's happening. Now I tap on her shoulder. I was good. You know your cousins. Nah, these niggas. Bro, guess what these niggas do, bro? They break down my uncle's door, bro. You know what I did, bro? You know what I did, bro? Bro, I took a fucking baseball bat, beat these niggas up with the baseball bat, bro. Like literally. Because my uncle come back, bro. And niggas gonna ask me, yo, you gonna let me do so? What, I like to tell you, and you doing this, bro. Beat the living shit out of the niggas with that baseball, me, bro. I didn't care where I hit him, bro. Didn't care if I break a jaw. Didn't care if I break a rib. Didn't care, bro. Y'all niggas tick me off, bro. Trying to smash. I'm trying to smash. Enjoy my time here, bro. Y'all niggas are disrupting me and disturbing my time here, bro. I got tight, bro. I got dead serious tight, bro. I won't do it again, but said in the third of his bro. You already ruined my time here, bro. Dab brands. Dab. That's how we do it. Dab. Yeah, bro. Leave that chica, bro. Tell her not get traced. I'm gonna quickly sort out this whole thing. As I'm on our way to our mother's house, I see my uncle again there at her mother's house. Go there, tell him what happened. Tell me, nah. Bro. He didn't try to blame this on me, but he did try to blame this on me because I could have changed this whole thing, bro. I could have just taken a hammer and a few speakers and banged the door in like I normally do. But I didn't think that they hit me, you feel me? And I didn't even smash there, bro. I was tight, bro. I was tight, bro. Like, not like I was tight, bro. I was tight, bro. Because I was waiting for a full week, bro. Just to smash this chica. As I'm about to smash this chica, y'all niggas disturbed me, bro. And I got so fucking tight, bro. I got dead serious tight, bro. But long story short, bro. It's your boy. Y'all niggas know I don't eat my videos like that, bro. Let's like, subscribe, and share my videos. And we out. Gangster.